Bond.
How much was the bond?
10,000. The new bond's 10,000.
Who's posting your bonds? Because you're too poor to even hire a lawyer, you say, but somebody keeps posting your bonds. Ma'am?
My roommates for my medical.
So you have access to money through your roommate. They'll pay to get you out of jail.
I'm making payment from the society.
There are two cases here on Leanna Wilson. You are Miss Wilson?
Yes.
Honey, Mr. Turk is present. You're charged in 24 CR 1936, third degree felony with tampering or fabricating of physical evidence. Let's see. Knowing that you had committed illegal possession of a controlled substance. What we do is try to swallow it here. Yeah. Destroy the evidence by ingesting them. Nothing to eat 2 Xanax bars. All right, well, this is a third degree felony, which means you're facing up to 10 years in prison. The other case, this was subsequently. You were indicted on September 11th of 2024. And then a month after that, it is alleged that you committed the offense of illegal possession of a controlled substance, cocaine, which is a state jail felony. You appear on February 21st of 2024 in front of Judge DeRuin with an appointment of counsel made. This is all for you are appearing. I've been advised by the 2/21/24 court of my, well, you didn't write that right. And then there was an attorney appointed for you on, I can't tell, but the stamp at the bottom of this appointment of counsel is 9/12/24. So you had appeared in this case as of 9/12/24. A month later, all with drugs, cocaine, and then you were indicted on October 22nd of 2025, a year later. But you were arrested for drugs, for cocaine, while you were on bond for a short time. What's your bonds on these things, please?
936, $10,000. That was actually 5,000. She sells to appear, so we raised it to $10,000 plus a drug patch plus a GPS device.
When was that ordered?
It was ordered January of this year, Judge. January 30th of this year, when we issued the warrant through the bailiff's call. Looks like she made bond in May of this year. Made bond.
How much was the bond?
10,000. The new bond's 10,000.
Who's posting your bonds? Because you're too poor to even hire a lawyer, you say, but somebody keeps posting your bonds. Ma'am?
My roommates for my medical.
So you have access to money through your roommate. They'll pay to get you out of jail.
I'm making payment from the society.
Judge, her bond on 1603 is $8,000 with a drug patch and a GPS device.
28,000.
It's
28,000.
28,000?
Yes, there's 10,000, 10,000, and 8,000.
That doesn't make any sense.
The misdemeanor and the 2 felonies. 10, 10, and 8.
Okay, well that I'm not familiar with the misdemeanor. I'm just holding your felony cases.
Yes.
And what I don't understand how you would post a bond, be indicted for a 3rd degree felony while that's pending. You commit illegal possession of cocaine, and quite naturally your bond is much less. So for that doesn't make any sense. That defies logic. You got to do that. Well, that was illogical, but okay. You still have a drug patch.
You want to jail?
There is an order that says you have to have. I'm sorry, hold on. There's an order that says you have to have a drug patch. If they take it off, you got to get one back on. That's your. They're going to take it off in the jail, yeah. But you have a responsibility under your bond to have a drug patch. You don't have a drug patch. No, your bond is revoked. You've got a distinct problem. You know it. We all know it. These indictments show it. You're headed for trouble. You are spiraling downwards, ma'am. You are spiraling. We had orders that you had to follow. And I don't care if they take it off. You have to, you sit over there, Miss Interrupter. Sit over there. That's rude. You can't speak over the court, but you're going to be taken into custody. Your bond is going to be revoked for not following the orders of the court. You have a problem. You're on fire with drugs. And this is the only way we can keep an eye on you to help you.
I want that.
No, I know we're going to try to help you, but you're not helping yourself.
You're not going to go.
You have to help yourself, man. You were indicted for trying to destroy drugs that you were using. They caught you trying to swallow them. And then after that indictment, you turn around and you're caught with cocaine. And then you're supposed to have the drug patch. And when they take it off, when you are released, you have to put it back on. That's the order. I'm sorry. Look, Mr. Turk is a sharp guy. He's going to walk you through all of this. But the first thing you have to do to help yourself is follow the orders of the court. No, you're free falling. We don't even know what's in your system now. Because you won't follow the order. All right. Hey, Brent, is it Harley Harrington?
She is here.
Leanna Wilson? Who's on? Where's probation on this? We're back on Leanna Wilson. Who was here for probation?
To test her,
Yeah.
they're back in CC2, but Justin is the one that followed up with us.
Okay. According to them, she attempted to falsify 2 tests that they tried to give her. Don't look at me like I can't believe it's not butter. Come on. You know, and those people don't lie to me. They do this all the time, but it happens from time to time. And you know, I could smell it a mile away. You got problems. There's something inside there that you're going to test positive to, and you're doing all you can to avoid it. Well, and when you do that, we make some tries. When you attempt to falsify or avoid a court order, then you get more trouble. That's contempt, but it also can be a crime. But the number one problem is between your illegal possession of cocaine
It's me.
and then your other tampering and fabricating with evidence. I mean, this is, you're just compounding the problem. You have a problem that we can all help you fix, but you're working against you. You're your worst enemy. You're working against your best interests. I mean, yeah, I can see we deal with this, and people, you're free falling. We need to save you from hitting a hard landing, because that's all this is headed to. Anyway, when and what's going to happen is when you don't go through with the test by your actions, then your bonds get revoked. And you sit it out in jail until we can resolve this. But that's what happens.
It'll be positive, John.
I'm sorry,
For my birthday.
ma'am?
It would be positive because of my birthday, August 15th.
It will be positive because of her birthday, August 15th.
Does anybody know what that means?
I
What does that mean?
And now I have to talk. I have.
Well, you need to talk to Mr. Turk. This isn't, you're not helping yourself, but you're free falling, and Leanna, this is headed for tragedy. You've got between cocaine and alprazolam. I mean, that's what they're finding on you, and God knows what's in you now. But you need help. And you're not going to be able to help yourself by being out in the free world on your own decision making. You've got a problem that you can't prevent right now, and we're going to help you.
Judge, just for the court's edification, she does have some serious medical needs and some treatments that she's. I don't know that you'll be able to get into
I know,
the sheriff's office.
but yeah, I understand, Brent, that we're going to do what we can, but people can't run out and say, look, I can use cocaine and illegal drugs, but you're going to have to let me out because I've got other medical problems. You can't, that doesn't save the day for you. You have to be answerable to it. And they have a medical staff in the jail, and
They don't take care of my this.
and they're going to have, it's their watch, and we don't lose people generally. They take care of their problems up there. You need to take care of your problem, and you're not doing it responsibly. What are her bonds?
Judge, on the first case, it is $10,000, second case is $8,000.
So I think she has some memory issues as far as the drug patch is concerned. She's here in court.
It's called white magic.
Hold on, let me talk. So she doesn't, when she got out of jail, she was not re-advised of the drug patch. It was a week ago. She will get the drug patch if the court.
But the drug patch wouldn't have made a difference.
It
We
may-
caught her. We just caught her on the test.
She has the serious medical needs, Judge. I'm just trying to
And they're going to have to deal with that. But your medical needs, they're not giving away the drugs for free, man. You got other problems. You're getting whoever the source is. That's your worst. That's your worst. Oh, you're not making the cocaine. You're getting it. You're acquiring it somehow. And talk to him. But your bonds are revoked. $50,000 on each case now. Plus, you have whatever this is worth. You have to have a drug patch that you don't seem to follow. But those are the orders of the court. But you, even if you post a bond, you can't be released until you've passed a drug test. You understand?
Yes. Judge, you had also previously ordered a GPS device. Do you want to keep that
Yes.
condition as well?
Yes. I want to know where she's going.
she has.
Sorry. All right. What do you want to do next, Brent? What's the next event?
I guess she and I need to visit with the anticipated resolution for this case, her case.
How much time?
4 weeks.
Was 3 good? We set 3 weeks on those. Thanks.